Ooh, big chop to the chest, to the logo of Spider-Man. Here comes City Monkey! This is something else. This is Spider-Man. Spider-Man, just straight up Spider-Man. No Arachnaman, nothing. No El Hombre Arena. This is Spider-Man versus City Monkey. A new potluck fave, maybe. Alright, Spider-Man wearing a t-shirt for some reason. And City Monkey with his pink cheeks. There's City Monkey. Spider-Man wearing a Spider-Man t-shirt. Oh, and now I guess they cut him taking the shirt off. Spider-Man La Magistral. City Monkey kicks out. Drop kick sends City Monkey to the outside, to the dirt. He got his tail in the dirt. Spidey with a fake out, shooting webs, getting cocky. This is an edited match. I'm fine with it. City Monkey with the pink cheeks. Spider-Man mark for himself. He better do a monkey flip. Multiple monkey flips from City Monkey, the pink-cheeked primate. Nice move by Spidey. Ooh, big chop to the chest, to the logo of Spider-Man. Here comes City Monkey! There goes Spidey, yes! Who could possibly be under that mask? Another fake out from Spidey, back kick. Acai moonsault connects. Spidey hits his head on a chair. Good God. Ooh, dropping the chair right on the head of the City Monkey. City Monkey brought back in. 2! Oh, power bomb by Spider-Man 2! Spider-Man. Fucking Liger bomb. 3! Your winner, Spider-Man.